Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today in this video where we're going to be reacting to another music from Ren. This one's called Animal Flow and I believe it's only been out for less than a day now. So if the last one was anything to go by, I can only imagine this will be just as good. But let's check it out anyway and see what we've got here. All right, without any further ado, let's go.
Animal flow. You're in the mind of a cannibal king, where chaos and anarchy roam, and trouble is bubbling under the skin. A certain insanity shows. Whenever I pick up the mic and begin, whenever these words that I write with my pen come alive, they ignite like I pulled out the pin. Animal flow, out in the jungle, I'm ready for war. I'm beating your brains with a bat, I'm swinging it back, and it's spooky, your bikes I'm bored. Lord of the cannibals, bro, a murderous mind that you can't ignore. I wait and react with combat on the counter attack. On the king of the jungle, I roar. Animal. Animal flow, I'm the flow CEO. I've got mountains of murderous rhymes.
Mountain volcanic, I blow and cause mayhem and panic. There's nowhere to run from my mind. I'm an impassable flow, never slowing, just growing and flowing with intricate lines. Yes, I will dig in my teeth when I bite like a beast. Blood, I drink it like wine.
Animal flow, out in the wilderness I will be king. Sit on my throne, I'm the Lord of the Rings. Out on my own, I'm a terrible thing. Animal skins over my shoulders like bling. They will be clothing my sins. I came to win over and over again. I'll take your life with a grin. Animal. Animal.
Animal.
Mary had the little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. It made the blood look so much redder when I slit its throat. Watch it drip, drop, till the ground was soaked. Oh, Mary, Mary, quite contrary how the blood it flows.
Horrific, explicit, I be parasitic, acidic, I'm eating your flesh. Don't fidget, I'm livid, not mentally with it. I get kinda sick when I'm stressed. I am the I am the storm, I am the fury, I am the scorn, I am the belly, I am the beast. Yes, I am, yes, I am, yes, I am, yes, I'm an animal, yes, I'm an animal. Yes, sometimes the things I say are irrational. Yes, sometimes the things I do are quite radical. Yes, I will be waging war on the capital. Yes, I will burn the houses of parliament down, cause hypocrites, they burn quite easily. Wow, burn and pillage it all to the ground. Your illegitimate king lost his crown. Animal flow, show no mercy under my rule. I won't be kind, I will be cruel. Down on my foes in a paddling pool. Yes, I'm tyrannical, bro, so never mistake a man for a fool. I'll take your ignorance right back to school and teach you a lesson for testing my cool.
Animal. Animal.
Wow.
Three things.
Okay. How do you do that? I asked that because it's such a short music video, and yet it's been able to compile so much into that short video. It's ooh, this dude. How long is that? My days. Okay, you know what I like about this guy is the fact that somebody drew my attention to something in the last video I reacted to called Hi Ren. He's going through so much, both physically, mentally, emotionally, that only seems to kind of spur him on. It kind of brings out this creative mindset that he's got, that he's able to kind of navigate his way and tell this story in a way that is so captivating. It kind of reminds me of musicians from the 60s and 80s where they told a story, and that was what people kind of drew into in terms of music. He's able to tell this story about himself and how he thinks, which is so incredibly beautiful. One thing I want to do in this video as well is to draw massive attention to the struggles that this young man is going through. He's having to go through a lot of medical treatment because of his struggles, both physically and emotionally and mentally. And he's needing so much money in terms of bills to be able to fund this. As a result, he's opened a GoFundMe page, which I will put in the description below. Whatever you guys can do to support his journey, that would be absolutely amazing. It's not by us, it is by Ren. It is a GoFundMe page created by Ren. If you guys can support him, that would be amazing, because what that would mean is that he will continue to create such amazing content. Another thing I would also do is leave his YouTube channel in the comment section below, so that you guys can also subscribe to him, which is another way of supporting his growth. And I can only just imagine how much this guy is going to grow. I would want to give a big shout out to Jens Randolph, who drew my attention to this, and he was the one that actually created a beautiful biography of this young man. It's amazing how much time he devoted to doing this. So I want to say a massive shout out to Jens for really drawing my attention to this. All right. I hope that you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. And I will be bringing more of Ren's content. A few people have recommended other ones that I need to look out for. Until next time, guys, you guys make sure you look after yourself. It's been Kings. Peace. Bye for now.